Today my topic of discussion is equivalence class. What is an equivalence class and how we are telling about what is equivalence class and what is the example of an equivalence class and etc. So let us start. Let a relation rho be an equivalence relation and an element A belongs to S. Let an element A belongs to S and let class of A be a subset of S. Denote class of A is CL of A. Okay, this is subset of S. Okay. Then class of A defined as X belongs to X such that X related to A hold. That is, those X belongs to class of A is, मैं लिख देता हूँ, class of A is the set of those element of X, element X of S such that X related to a hold. So here the mandatory cause is rho the relation is equivalence. If this is possible, then we can partition into classes. If rho be an equivalence relation, then we can partition into equivalence class. So how equivalence class defined? This. Okay. So let us an example. To find the equivalence class by the relation rho on Z. So here telling that rho is an equivalence relation. क्वेश्चन में बताया गया है कि रो इज एन इक्विवेलेंस रिलेशन. ये नहीं बताया होता तो पहले हम चेक करते रो इक्विवेलेंस और नॉट. इफ रो इज नॉट इक्विवेलेंस देन वी can't do the equivalence class. Okay, so in this question the turtle row is an equivalence relation. So what is defined of row? That is A related to B if and only if A minus B is divisible by 5. This is the example which I have to tell you to do yourself in the previous lecture. So if you are not do, you can check this is equivalence relation. I just say that done an equivalence relation. So now what we have to do? Class. Okay, let A B B any two element belongs to set of integer since row is on Z. Okay. So what are the element of class of 0? Class of 0, all those element that are 0 plus minus 5 plus minus 10 plus minus 15 which are multiple of 5 such that n belongs to Z. Why this is 0 plus minus 5 plus minus 10 plus minus 15? I just elaborate after some time. So now class of 1. What are the element of class of 1? That's 1 plus minus 5. उसके साथ क्या होगा? 1 आ जाएगा. 1 plus minus 10. 1 plus minus 15. And 10 belongs to Z. Okay, इसको और सिंप्लीफाई करने से मुझे मिलेगा दिस इज एग्जैक्टली 5n. n बिलोंग्स टू Z. एंड इसको सिंप्लीफाई करने से मिलेगा 5n plus 1 such that n belongs to Z. So class of 2 क्या होगा? 5n plus 2 such that n belongs to Z. तो how many class are generated? Here in this equation 5 class are generated. So class of 3, that's what? 5n plus 3 such that n belongs to Z. And class of 4, 5n plus 4 such that n belongs to Z. But class of 5 cannot happen. For why? Because if class of 5 are come, same 5n plus 5, which is also 5 into n plus 1. This is because this is also multiple of 5, that is depends on 5n, the first case class of 0. Okay, there are 5 distinct equivalent classes, and Z is the union of these 5 classes, and each element of Z belongs to one and only one of these classes. Each element of Z belongs to these classes. Okay, so this is an example of an equivalent class. Okay, now our topic is, we discuss some particular theorem which are to be known. They are very important. I just say the theorem. For the first theorem is, let rho be an equivalence relation on the set S and AB belongs to S. Then what? Class of A equals to class of B if and only if A related to B hold. इसका मतलब क्या है? जब A रिलेटेड टू B होल्ड होगा तब इसको दिखाना पड़ेगा, जब A होगा तब इसको दिखाना पड़ेगा. दैट इज 1 to 1. Okay, theorem number 2 is, let rho be an equivalence relation on the set S, then if A not related to B, then class of A and class of A not related to B, then class of A and class of B are disjoint. So the third rule is, there let rho be an equivalence relation on the set S and AB belongs to S, then the equivalence class of A and class of B are either equal or disjoint. So class of A and class of B either equal or disjoint. The other are not be done in